Hey paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video. And this video I participate in a YouTube hub organized by Rachel and Monja, and the next few months from June till December we every month we have a YouTube hub, and this month is July, and the theme of this YouTube hub this month is feels like summer. So I'm very happy making a summer layout because I'm already got summer vibe a while. So um, and I thought it will be awesome to use the Vicki Boutin collection, run the color study, and some leftovers from the Wonder collection from Vicki Boutin. So I already cut some design paper to size that I want to use for this scrapbook page. But first we start with some distress oxide, and I put a little bit of distress oxide on a piece of plastic, and with a clear stamp that already looks like a stain, I picked up some distress oxides and stamped several times on my white cardstock background. If you don't have a clear background clear stamp to use, you can use a piece of plastic that you put a little bit of distress oxide on the plastic, and you apply the distress oxide with your piece of plastic on your scrapbook page, and that's called the packing technique. The colors distress oxide I use for this scrapbook page are the yellow one, mustard seed, the green mauve lawn, the blue faded jeans, and the aqua color peacock feathers. Here I already cut some design paper to size, some design paper from the color wheel from the Vicki Boutin collection color study, and I roughed the edges with my distress etcher from Tim Holtz, and with some 3D foam I put the papers on the white cardstock. And here I cut some design paper to size from the 6x8 paper pad from the color study collection from Vicki Boutin, and I cut some design papers to size, rough the edges, and put it behind the photo using some SJF tape and 3D foam. I grabbed some other design paper from Pink Paisley, the collection Fifth and Monaco, and I think the black and white flowers are very great addition to this layout. So here I fussy cut some flowers from the design paper and slide them between my design paper layers. I got some color wheels from the volume from the Color Studio collection, and I think these color wheels are very pretty, and I think perfect for this scrapbook page. And I already choose some word strips and flowers that I want to use on this scrapbook layout, and I'm very busy to slide the die cuts around on this scrapbook page. So at the end, I'm very happy with the results. So, but for now, I'm a little bit busy with all those die cuts that I want to give a spot on the scrapbook page. Here I'm playing with all my die cuts and flowers and word strips, and I slide them all around over the scrapbook layout, and until I'm happy with the results. So yes, it's a creative process to decorate your scrapbook page, but I don't mind. I think it's a great thing to do, and I love playing with my die cuts and paper embellishments on my scrapbook layout. And it's I love the creative process. It's for me just like mindfulness. So when everything is in place on my layout, I'm grab some alphas for my title, and the title for this layout will be Summer Vibe. I'm very happy how everything is right now on the scrapbook page. So it's time to using some S-shape tape and 3D foam to put every paper embellishment in place on my scrapbook page. I like to rough the edges from some die cuts and from the wings from the butterflies, so that gives a little bit more layered look. I think that it's that you can call that. I love the ruffle edges on the scrapbook paper, and you can fold them a little bit so you get more dimension in your scrapbook pages. So I do it a lot, and I'm using my distresser from paper distresser from Ranger for that. Here I tear the paper a little bit and cut out a black or white flower from the design paper and place it behind the teared paper, so this way it looks like the flower is coming out of the design paper, and I'm very happy with that look. So the butterfly that I had on top of the scrapbook page, I placed him a little bit below with the word strips. So I think I already done with this page for decorating, and I love this very summery beach vibe layout for my daughter. She is sitting on the beach and looking into the looking, and she looks to the sea. And I'm very curious about what she's thinking, and thinking of things, what for memories she made on this vacation or on this summer. So it's a very inspiring photo for this layout. Here I'm using some white acrylic ink that I mix, white acrylic paints that I mix with a little bit of water, and with my brush I'm making festive white beach looking splatters, and I'm very happy with these white splatters on the black and white photo. They really pop out, and the most of the time I'm making white splatters. So it looks very festive, and I like that white splattery look. So now using some black acrylic ink, and I splatter a little bit around the black and white flowers. I hope you enjoy watching this process video for the YouTube hub. Feels like summer. And don't forget to check the other beautiful talented ladies that participate in the YouTube hub. The list of all the YouTubers are in my subscription, so you see the links and you can hop along get over all these beautiful YouTube channels. And I want to thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you next hop on YouTube. For now, wish you a lovely and crafty day. Bye bye.